Yo, what's going on, man? Welcome back to all my watch enthusiasts, man. It's your boy, and I'm at one of my favorite spots. This is where I come to clear my head and just enjoy uh, solitude. But I had a video, this one right here. Uh, I unboxed a Matthew Tissot. I tried it out. I didn't like the presentation. I didn't like the fact that it just failed on me. So what I did was I sent the watch back. And shout out to Joma Shop, man. If you guys have never, I'm not affiliated, but Joma Shop made it so simple and easy, man. The return process, hands down, beautiful. But what I did was instead of getting another Matthew Tissot, which I'm not gonna do. Matthew Tissot kind of blew it for me. And besides that, I don't see any other YouTubers really talking about Matthew Tissot online, and it's, I guess, for good reason. There's so much competition out here. But what it did was it pushed me into getting an. I'll call this a powerhouse. It's one of my favorite watch brands, and I have it right here. I've already removed the packaging labels and stuff like that for just security purposes. But let's get into this unboxing real quick. Okay, family, y'all ready? Let's go ahead and this is my box opener. A little groovy raptor tooth. All right, presentation can make or break a watch, man. And this isn't coming from Joma Shop. No, I do promote Joma Shop. I actually work with another company that has, let's turn that around. Whoo! Did anybody see that coming? Anybody see that coming? All right, let's put that off to the side. We have Glycine since 1914. And what do we have here? Y'all get ants crawling all over me, yo. That's what happens when you take photos or videos out in the wild. If you've never experienced glycine packaging, it's typical. Okay. You got that. Oh, watch today. That review coming pretty soon. But, oh. Your boy went and popped off. Look at that there. This is a Glycine Sub. This right here is the GL0093 GoldenEye. Oh, man. Ooh, woo. First, look at the thin profile. And this does have their version of Solita, or the 2824 actually. So this watch was actually reviewed several years ago by a few. I believe the Urban Gentry actually. No, he did review this watch. He did it on a different strap. And guess what? This one has like this leather backing underlay, but then it has sort of a canvas on top. And guess what? I think it's cool. It's cool holding up the watch, but you know what? You want to give your watch new life. I have a strap coming in for this. It'll be in today, this afternoon. I was just tracking it. It'll be here today. So let's peel some of this plastic off. And wait a minute. The last time when this watch is only here because the Matthew Tissot failed. So okay, simple little pop. Okay. Okay. Back in. And easy thread. Matthew T. So that's how you thread a watch. That's how it's supposed to be. But I'm going to tell you something. I'm excited about this watch because, one, if this watch was hype at one point, that hype has been gone because, like I said, there's an Urban Gentry video out on this watch, and that thing is like 7 years old. It's old. It's extremely old. And that is the case back. Hold, let's look at it upright. Let's look at the information on it. Stainless steel automatic sapphire crystal. And you got 2 seals as a seal of approval and a trident. I don't know what that means. I don't know where they got it from. I really don't care. All I know is, as far as a dive watch is concerned, that combat sub, come on, focus for me, baby. There we go. As a combat sub, look at that. Look at that. And the lume is on. See, I have another Glycine, and the lume on it is great. It's not as good as other looms, but it's better than a lot of other companies that's giving you certain. And this one right here was the exact same, almost the same price. So the Matthew T. So after taxes was $329. After taxes for this one with shipping was $336, and I got it from Ashford, and it got here in like 3 days prior to ordering. So again, thanks to Matthew T. So not coming through and doing what they were supposed to do by giving me a dive watch that I can love and enjoy and add to my collection. I mean, it wasn't a hard push. I'd have went to Glycine anyway, because I think most bang for your buck. For those that's put an emphasis on having a Swiss-made timepiece, this, I would highly recommend this. Glycine, let me tell you this. For those of you guys that are watching that, if you don't own a Swiss-made timepiece, anything that the movement and watch was made in Switzerland, this would be the best option for the money. And I still consider this watch, seeing it being under $500, to be more watch for you because the comfort level is crazy. Now, I'm not particularly crazy about this strap. I'd have much rather have this on the NATO than this. But again, I already got a strap coming in. I got a mesh bracelet coming in, man. And it's going to rival, dare I say, the Omega Speedmaster 007. GoldenEye versus 007. Should that be a video? But anyway, that's my unboxing. Oh, where are my manners? Let me show you the rest of the stuff. I'm sorry. So you have manual instructions for the quartz, if you have any quartz pieces, the automatic, and your warranty card, international. And guess what? It's signed. That's how you do it, man. Come on, let man Ashford come through for your boy. Yeah, it's signed. I love to see that it's signed, man. I'm extremely happy. Glycine, you win again. Oh, y'all remember that the other one, the packaging? Look at that. It's so tight I can barely get it in there, but that watch was not moving. Now, I will say, shame on you, Matthew T. So, for being way older than this company, 1914. It has changed hands about 4 or 5 times in history. Invicta owns it now, and they still know how to make a proper box for your watch to come in. Nothing fancy, but that thing, you saw, man, that thing ain't going nowhere. Look at that. Shake, 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 shake. Ain't going nowhere. That's how you make a box, man. Come on, man. Y'all Swiss-made companies better get it together now. That has been my unboxing, y'all. I'm out of here, man. I'm about to go home and see if... Oh, I doubt it's not there yet. I know it's not there yet. But anyway, by the time y'all see this video, it has changed. It's transformed. And I'll update you on that one. So, y'all, until the next lightning strike, y'all be blessed.